Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. In this video I am going to show you first of all, thank you for your support. And I was not expecting that you will get such a great response I will get. So first of all, you can see the accuracy of this single indicator giving you the accuracy of 76 point, or you can say 80%. Okay, and from 17 trades you are getting around 80% trades, 80% profitable trades. Okay, and this is the maximum drawdown, and everything you can see here. Okay, here you can see the list of trades. Okay, these are all profitable trades. This one, okay, this is the drawdown and this is the profit. Here you can see. Okay, from the last trade, I think you will say from the last 17 trades you are getting 3 trades profit in loss, and 3 1 and fourth one. Okay, you got 4 trades in loss, otherwise all the uh, for 12 to 13 trades are in profit. Okay, and this one is the accuracy in the BTC. I will show you the results in all the pairs like gold and Nasdaq, SPX, crypto, forex pairs like GBP/USD, Euro USD, and Bank Nifty. This indicator work on all pairs. I will show you. Here you can see, first I have need to show you. At the end of the video, I will tell you how you can get this indicator, and the second thing, how you can add the indicator in your trading view chart. It's a very simple strategy, simple process. It's not a difficult one. And here you can see this is the second entry. Here first of all you have me to watch it. Here you got the sell entry. Okay, and after that you was in some good profit. Okay, in the previous trade, let me show you some loss trades, and I will show you how you can change your loss trade into profit one. Okay, let me show you detail first. Here you got the buy signal, and this is the profitable trade. You can see the market going upside. I have need to show you the loss trades. Okay, because I have need to show you like this one. Here you can see, here you got the sell signal and you got the buy signal from this point. So it looks like that you are getting loss in this trade. Okay, it's look like in the previous one. Let me show you, we got 3 consecutive trades in loss. Let me show you here. First one, go to the study tester and list of trades. You can see this 3 consistent 3 loss trades. Okay, and I have need to show you the results of these 3 trades. Here first of all I have need to show you here where are the 3 trades. Now the first one lost trade, the second one lost trade, the third one lost trade. Ye 3 consecutive lost trades. But if we add second indicator, you can see after getting this sell signal you have need to go to sell position from this point. When you got this sell signal, let me show you clearly. Okay, from this point you can see you got the sell signal. You do not need to open your sell position from this point. You have need to open your sell position from upper band line. Like here you can go for the sell position, book your profit, again sell your sell position, you can book your profit, or you have need to exit your trade at this point. Now you got the buy trade and you have need to go to buy position from this point. Okay, need to book your profit, again go to buy trades, and yes, it's a loss trade. It's not a profit one. Yes, you can see, but it's a very small loss. It's a very small loss. Okay, you can see it's a very small loss. In the next trade you got the sell signal. Now you can see it's profitable. Okay, now go to another sell position. Okay, another sell position, another sell position, and you can see you got amazing profit. Okay, yeah, this one sell position, sell position, sell position, and you got profit. Now you have need to go another sell position, but you got the buy signal, so you have need to go buy trade and profitable. Go to buy trade, profitable, buy trade, profitable. Okay, buy trade and profitable, buy trade and profitable. Now sell trades When you got this sell signal, you have to go for the sell position, and you can see you got the profit, or you can open your sell position from this point again. Okay, you have to book your first profit here. The second, you can go for another sell position from this point when the candle is very close to the upper band line. Okay, this is actually RSI ribbon. Here you can see. Now hopefully you will understand the whole study. It's a very simple strategy and very effective. Let me show you results in gold. In the gold, this one is the most recent sell signal here. Okay, and you can open your sell position again, and you can see the first take profit, and here you can go to the sell position again, because here it is showing you that there is a resistance, so you can go open your sell position from this point, and you have need to book your profit. Okay, here resistance, so you have need to go and you can book your profit here, and again you can book your profit here. Okay, let me show some previous results in the gold. Buy position, buy position, book your profit. You can open your again buy position, and you can book your profit. If you go another buy position, you have need to exit your trade at this point when you got the sell signal. How much it's profitable? Yes, it's amazing. Okay, if you go to the strategy tester and go to the overview, the percentage of in the gold in the 15-minute time frame, I'm using 15 minute. Why? Because mostly people are demanding that please show the results in 15-minute or 30-minute time frame, so I'm making this video. Okay, and if you will add two indicators, then you will get the accuracy around 85 to 90%, or you can say more than 90% accuracy if you will use this strategy. Okay, now I have need to show you results in some other pairs like UK oil. Let's see. It's work on all pair like Indian market, forex, crypto, indices. It will work on all. Okay, here you can see buy trade, go to the buy position, go to the buy position, and this is the most recent, this is the most recent buy signal, and market is on. Okay, and you can see now you are in some good profit. Like here when you got the entry, the point you, uh, price was around 80.64, and now the price is 81.04, so it's a very good profit. Okay, so let's see the results in BNP. Okay, where we got the sell signal, we got the sell signal here. Book your profit, again sell position, book your profit, again your sell position, and it's give you again profit. Okay, let's see BTC. I think I show you the results in BTC. Yes, I show you results in the BTC. First I show you the BTC, then I go show results in the gold, and now I am showing you results in some other pairs. Okay, okay, let me show you the strategy tester as well. Here you can see around 80%. Okay, okay, ING. Okay, here we got the sell signal, we got sell signal here. It's much profitable. Yes, it is much profitable, and here you got again signal, and it gives you again profit. Okay, let me show the results in some other pairs. Okay, this one is the buy position. Yes, it is. Here you can see the live demo. Here you got the buy signal, and you got again buy position, and you can see buy position, you have need to go another buy position, and it will definitely will give you some profit. Okay, RSI is also helping you a lot. Like at this point RSI is upside from the upper band line, so this is the our sold condition. And let me show some other results here. Here you can see this is our sold condition, this is our bought condition. Okay, here you can see this is our bought our sold condition, so it will also help you a lot. Like whenever the RSI is crossing the upper band line and the candles are coming inside the RSI ribbon, so you can see the market is going downside. Here you can see RSI is going downside, and the candle come from this candle are outside, but this candle are inside the RSI ribbon, so this is the our bought condition and give you profit here. Here you can see the again scenario. Okay, and here you can see the again scenario, and this is the most recent sell signal. Okay, but if you follow this one, then it will definitely will give you the profitable trades. Okay, let me show you some results in SPX, or you can say I will show you the results in some other pair as well, but first I have need to show you results in SPX. Here you got the buy strategy, buy signal. Do not need to go for the buy signal. Got sell signal. You have need to go for open your sell position from this point. Book your profit. Buy position, buy position, buy position, buy position, buy position, and you can see all the time you are getting awesome profit all the time. Okay. Let me show some other results like USD JPY or GPB JPY. First need to watch it. Okay, this is the most recent buy signal, and you can see accuracy. This is the sell signal, but unfortunately you did not get the sell signal. Okay, after getting this sell signal you have need to wait for this sell signals. Okay, let me show here where we got the buy signal. You can see profitable, and this one another profitable. If you go to the strategy tester, the accuracy is around 66%, you can around 70%, and that is actually a very good accuracy. Okay, okay, I show you the all results. Let's see the results in US 100 and US 30. Okay, US 30 in the most recent. Okay, now after getting this sell signal you can see this is the most accurate results. Okay, the US 30. Okay, in the US 30, where was the signal? It's show you the signals. Okay, it show a share signal, buy signal, and after that market going upside. You can see market is going upside, and you can got amazing. That is actually amazing one. Okay, and you getting consistent profit all the time. Okay, and how you can get the strategy, and how you can add the indicators. So first I have need to remove them. Okay, and then I have need to add indicators. So go to the setting here. These are my point script here. Okay, and how you can get, oh, okay, and the one more last thing, mostly people are asking me that how many indicators you will get. You will get all indicators. Okay, I am not sending one or two indicators. I am sending who are people who are buying my indicators are getting my all indicators. Okay, this is the indicator I have need to add. Control A, Control C, copy the code, then go to Pine editor, and then you have need to select all, delete them, then control, there should be no code. Okay, and control V, paste my code, and then click on add to chart. Okay, after that you have need to add second indicator. Here you will find another error. This is the simple yoga strategy. Again copy my code, control A, select all, copy my code, then go to Pine editor. Again you have to select all, delete, and then paste my code, and then click on add to chart. Okay, go to the setting of first indicator. Okay, go to the indicator setting, uncheck this one, uncheck this one, RSI 75, slowly down, and uncheck this one. That's it, we're done. And the second indicator, if you are using 5-minute time frame or 3-minute time frame or 1-minute time frame, you have to check the resolution to at 4 hour. Okay, if you are using 1 minute, you have to select 1 hour. If you want to use 5 minute or 3 minute, you have to select 4 hour. If you want to use 5 minute or 30 minute or 1 hour, you have to select 1 day. Okay, and then you can see the accuracy. Okay. Okay, and the last question, how you can get the scripts. You can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram. and Gmail, if you want to contact me on my Gmail, simple hoga @gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. Okay. Okay, now I gave you the all details, and hopefully you will must like my video, must subscribe my channel, and for any further query you can ask me, and must subscribe my channel. Okay, for the next video I have bye bye, take care. And one more last thing I have need to show you. There are some fake Telegram channels and they are scammers, so you have need to be stay away from them. Do not join fake Telegram channels. Okay, I am giving you warning. Do not join fake Telegram channels. Okay, some people are saying that if you will type one at the end, then you will contact me. Okay, if you will not type one at the end, then there are some fake Telegram channel and you will join it they he will show you like invest the money and each and etc. You do not need to join fake Telegram channel. Okay, and just personal contact me on my WhatsApp or Telegram or Gmail. Okay, I give you the all details, and now you will must subscribe my channel and must like my video. For the next video, bye bye, take care.